some people are just abuse the copyright system, and DDG are one of the victims. And before even all of this, I wasn't really that much of a DDG enjoyer or like the common person or into DDG and shit. Never been like that. Me personally, when DDG did hot when it just pop off the porch, like 2016 and time, me really give a fuck about DDG. Me really give a fuck. Me more likely to watch man like PewDiePie, bro. That's who me did that pre. And ever since him, after streamer university and the beef with Reggie, I realized that ain't really all that entertaining. If I know other people around Daryl, it's someone not really all that entertaining, bro. He's not really all that entertaining. He's not that interesting. Oh, you one rapper that is also a streamer. But you're fucking boring the ass. Oh, that makes sense. You're not supposed to be a bit